Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in on my video channel again, because I haven't been active on there for the last year, I guess, something like that. I haven't been active anyway, actually not even on Instagram. My last post I noticed was from May this year. There are lots of reasons that I haven't done anything. I didn't have my mojo. There was a lot going on in our lives. And, altogether, it didn't come to making anything but only work and other stuff. Also a holiday, luckily. It's not just bad things that happened. But today, I'd like to show you something I made for a dear friend of mine. I'm going to send it to the United States. I hope tomorrow. I still have to do a little work at it, but I really want to send it tomorrow because she deserves getting a snail mail from me. But this time I'm going to send a complete junk journal with it as well. I hope she will be really glad with it. I will not post this video until she has received it also, because you never know if she's still tuning in on my channel in the hope to see something. And I don't want her to see the thing that she's going to get. I made this journal inspired by Shabby Cottage Studio. I will link her below because that's what she deserves. The printables I've used in this journal are mainly from St. Paul Designs and Ruby and Pearl XO. The stamps I used are also from St. Paul Designs. I may have used other stuff as well as my vintage book pages, and not to forget the beautiful laces from Crafty Me Shop, which you can buy on Facebook and in the meantime also on Etsy, but I do recommend the Facebook group. So let's go ahead. I don't want to make this into a long video. I will just want to show you this journal. It has a topper and you can remove the topper, and I will hide the name to whom this is going, but this is the card I made to go on top, and you can remove it. I also played around with golden acrylic paint because it is, as you can see, a Christmas journal, and Christmas without glitters is, as far as I'm concerned, no Christmas. So that's what I did as well. You can remove the topper, and then you see this journal, and it is made out of paper lunch bags, and that was the idea I got from Shabby Cottage Design. In here are all journaling spaces. I did do a lot of decorating with the papers and the laces, but every page has one or more journaling cards because that's what the journal is designed for, making memories at Christmas or before Christmas, or making lists or note down recipes, anything. So it's all Christmas cards, and these are the St. Paul Design stamps, and I decorated this with just one bit of a trim. I've got more. It's all together in one string, but when you cut them out and take care of the beads not getting loose, because this is made by hand, you can use them separately. Here I painted with some gold paint as well on the side of the card, and journaling space. As well as this one. As it are lunch bags, they have pockets on one side, and I put a bigger card in there. I also used some faux tape. I see spots still that use extra attention because I really wanted to make this video before the daylight is gone, and I really want to post the whole lot tomorrow when I go to work. So yeah, it's not finished yet, but as far as I'm concerned, it's almost finished. For example, this has a paper clip because otherwise it will flap open all the time, but this is a little envelope with, of course, a note card in there with writing space again, but I closed it with a paper clip so that I have a tuck spot as well for this journal card. But this has to be decorated, and I already got my stuff out because for decoration I could use this. They're such gorgeous charms. Snowflakes. Here I have another snowflake. I already looked at it because I know that I still want to put stuff like that in here. This could be a wing from an angel, for example. And speaking of angels, I've got angels as well here. And here, a bigger and a small one. I've got this lovely Christmas tree. And where is it? I've got so much things. A little deer, could be a reindeer, right? So there we go. I'm going to put these aside and make a choice later on. So I will attach that to this paper clip, and then this is a tuck spot at the same time. I used vellum paper. And again, a Christmas card decorated with gold acrylic paint. I did do some stamps, but not everywhere, because then it's getting all the same everywhere. So here's a gorgeous tag and hair, by the way. I love these girls. They're so cute. I may want to put some acrylic paint here, but then again, not too much, because this tree I already used acrylic paint on to make that the golden balls glimmery, and I painted Noel in the upper corner, just like that. Here's another pocket again. I did collages on them, as you can see. I had several ribbons ordered from France. They came in 2 weeks ago, so I was already getting ready for Christmas. Another vellum pocket. These children are also so gorgeous. And how about this angel? He is an angel. He, she. I think this is a he, don't you? It's a he. Here's 2-in-1 pocket. I love this little girl with her Christmas tree. She's so proud. And this angel, she's adorable. Here's another pocket, and there is a card and a booklet in there. The card is this one, and I made a booklet because there is, of course, a lot of writing space on all the back of the cards, but I thought it would be nice to put a little booklet in there. This is my own hand tea-dyed paper, and I made a booklet with no equal pages because that's what a journal is like. And I made a booklet of a few irregular pages to make some notes before and during Christmas time. Maybe a recipe, a little list, you never know. So I made a collage on that as well. This is my structured paper. And yeah, this deserves a dangle. I'll leave it out. I can't forget it like that. These cards are quite sturdy. I printed them on 120 grams paper, put a 300 gram paper card in the middle and backed it with my tea-dyed paper, because like that it's quite sturdy and I like it. It gives sturdiness to the entire journal, including the cards and all the pockets of course, but also sturdiness to the cards. They don't go to waste as soon as you use them. I love this angel as well. She was bigger, but I had to take down the bottom half of it because otherwise it wouldn't fit in the journal. These are really gorgeous pages. I will put the used printables below in the description box. I'm still so happy with all these gorgeous laces. I've got tons of them and I'm finally using them. I really love this happy Santa Claus with his reindeers. It's really fun. This is the last pocket. Some faux tape again. Yeah, and these bags were white. Maybe they will still show a little white, but they are most definitely not. You can see that here. I tea stained them first as well before I was going to use them. And they're bound together with a 3 pamphlet stitch. I think these are also gorgeous. And look at this. I'm pretty sure I used papers of somebody else as well. I have to look that up, and now I'll put it in the description box down below as well. I don't know how to pronounce it well, but I used the digitals, for example this one, and there are from, if I pronounce it the English way, it would be Ida Jane Designs. I've never heard of her, but I stumbled upon her Etsy site and I love them, and they're really nice. So yeah, I will put them down in the description box. And I'm looking if I can find another. Yeah, like this was also from her kit. This. Anyway, we're at the end of the journal. And as you can see, I used a lot of trims from, like I said, Crafty Me Shop. These and the other ones. The ribbons are from France. I will put that shop in the description box as well. And all the other laces from Crafty Me Shop. And 2 or 3 kits I used. This one is from Ida Jane Designs as well. I really like this one. And that one too. This one. Because I do like the green and red that people and everybody uses for Christmas, but I like muted tones more. But in this way it was all together. It was a nice Christmassy toned paper collages for the junk journal, without it being too red and green. So, this is the entire journal. I do hope you liked the flip through with the journal topper on top of it. I like how the way it came out. and I will accompany it with a gorgeous Santa. I really like him. I thought he looked a little grungy, but I think he's still smiling with those heavy bells over his shoulder. I like him. Called Yule, and I will write my message on the back, and of course I will write my letter accompanying this junk journal. And I will do so on paper I printed myself for the writing, and it is one of the images from Ruby and Pearl, and I cut that out on my computer and put it in Word like a watermark and let it fade. I had to use PowerPoint to do so, to let it fade, because I'm not good in Photoshop. I do have it, but I have to study on it. Anyway, I faded it in PowerPoint and then I put it into a Word document as a watermark and printed it on both sides. And now I have gorgeous writing paper for my letter. Anyway, short video to show you that I'm still alive and kicking, and again have my mojo back for making something I hope my friend will find beautiful. Thank you for watching, and hopefully it will not take another year for making a next video. Bye bye.